can hear her heartbeat from 1,000 miles, and the heavens open up every time she smiles. And when I come to her, that is where I belong, and I'm running through her like a river song. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. She gives me love, 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 crazy love.
Okay, I had a friend named Steve, and he wanted me to meet Mary. He said, you know, this girl's perfect for you. So we didn't have her phone number, so I looked in the phone book, got out the white pages, gave her a call, being a complete stranger. And lucky enough, she said yes to a date, even though she never even knew me or knew where I was coming from or anything. So we met at the...
Chalmette Cinema. So that's how we met, and we've been together ever since. So we decided that we were going to get married because we've been together for 7 years. So it's about that time. So we went to Open Heart and picked out a ring.
I actually got a layaway, and I was so excited to give it to her. I had the whole thing planned. I was going to take her to our favorite restaurant and everything, and, you know, I was going to get down on one knee, but it didn't work out that way. I was just so excited. I had to give it to her right then and there, so.
Came into my office space with all my workers and got down on his knee, which is a little bit embarrassing, and proposed. And my mom was with him, because he brought my mom with him, so it was pretty embarrassing, but touching, too.
I love Mary. Mary's always there for me. Every time I feel sad or, you know, down the dumps, she's always there to make me feel better. She's always there to love me.
He's always there for me, and he always has been. And he'd run miles if I ever needed him to help me out if I was ever in trouble. I admire his strength and his warmth and his loving. So, really, that's all the things that I like about Corey and love about him.
So far away, give me some sweet loving, brightens up my day, and it makes me righteous, and it makes me whole, and it makes me mellow right down to my soul. You give me love, 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 crazy love. She gives me